Hi, boys and girls. Your story for this week is why exercise? All right, and before we read, we're going to take a look at our focus question, the words that we need to know, and then do a picture walk through our text. All right, and we want to also be thinking about what kind of text is this? Is it a literary text that's telling a story with characters and setting and plot? Or is this an informational text that's talking about a topic and giving us information? All right, so that's going to help us to better understand the story. Let's go ahead and look at our focus question. All right, right down here in the small red box, it says, what is exercise? You might already have some good ideas about what exercise is, but this text is going to give us some more information to help us better answer that question. What is exercise? All right, and then if we look at this red box up at the top of the next page, it says words to know. All right, so go ahead and repeat these words after me. Exercise, healthy, hungry, mood, stretch, sweat. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to do just a picture walkthrough first. All right, so tell me about what you see in these pictures. So we got some kids. It looks like they're wearing some athletic clothes. They're ready to exercise. They got their sneakers on. All right, she looks like she might be sweating, so maybe she's already done some exercise. All right, there's a kid riding a bike, jumping rope. Those are some good ways to get exercise. Swimming, that's another fun one. Swimming in a pool. What do you think they're doing in this picture? Yeah, it looks like they're dancing. Dancing can be great exercise. Ooh, what sport is this? Hockey, yeah. So it's played on the ice, and they have hockey sticks and pucks. All right, looks over here, look like they're running on a track. So running can be great exercise. Oh, what are they doing in this picture? Yeah, they're trying to reach their toes. They're stretching. It's very important to stretch and make sure you stretch those muscles. All right. He's drinking water, which is another important thing to stay healthy, especially when you're exercising. All right. Looks like they're playing soccer. All right. So just by looking at the pictures, we've already gotten a lot of information about what this book is going to talk about. All right, so now we're ready to read together. And our story is going to start on page 3. So I'm going to go over here to page 3, and then we're going to read together. All right, so remember, we're thinking about our focus question. What is exercise? All right, and already just from looking at the pictures and some information and the words to know, what kind of story do you think this is? Yeah, this is an informational text. It's giving you information on a specific topic. So it's not going to have characters and setting. It's going to have those informational text features. Right? So we want to be thinking about what is the main idea of this story, and what are some supporting details that support that main idea. All right? And keep that focus question in mind. What is exercise? Because we're going to be able to answer it after reading. All right, page 3 says, get ready to move your body and exercise. Exercise is when you push your body to work hard. Exercise makes you sweat. It makes your heart beat fast. It makes you breathe quicker. Right? Have you ever been exercising, maybe in gym class or outside at your house? You'll notice that if you're working really hard, if you're running, you're going to start to sweat, right? Where you get wet on your forehead or under your arms. You start to sweat. Your heart's beating fast. Yeah, it's hard to breathe sometimes if you're exercising really hard. Right, because you're breathing faster. So all of those things happen when you're exercising. It says you are exercising when you ride a bicycle. Exercise can be fun. So even though it's hard work sometimes, it's also fun, especially if you're doing an activity that you find really enjoyable. Right? You are exercising when you jump rope. Exercise can help your mood. Your mood is how you're feeling. So maybe you're feeling happy. It can help your mood. It usually makes you happy when you get exercise. Right? You are exercising when you swim. Exercise can make you strong, right? Working those muscles helps to make you stronger. You are exercising when you dance. Exercise can help you make friends. So exercise doesn't have to be by yourself, right? It can be an activity that you do with other people, and that makes it more fun. You are exercising when you play hockey. Exercise can make you hungry. Right? So if you've worked really hard and you've exercised, usually afterwards it makes you hungry because you want to eat more. Make sure that you're eating a healthy snack to keep up your energy. You are exercising when you run. Exercise can make you tired. Right? After running really fast, you gotta take a break sometimes because it makes your body tired. Remember to stretch before and after you exercise. Also be sure to drink water. Water is very good for your body. Exercise helps you stay healthy. It also makes you feel great. All right, nice job listening and reading along with me. Let's take a look back at our focus question, right? We had that in our head as we were reading. So what is exercise? Can you give me an example of some things that were exercise in this book? Yeah, so there's different ways that you can exercise, right? Like swimming, jump rope, running, dancing, playing a sport. All of those are good examples of exercise. What else can you tell me about what is exercise? Yeah, so when you're working your body really hard, your heart's beating faster, you're breathing faster, maybe you start sweating if you're working really hard. All those things go along with exercise. Very nice, right? So right here on page 3, it has a definition, and then we can use those other examples from the text to help support it. So exercise is when you push your body to work hard, right? And it's good for your body. It makes you strong. It can make you feel better. It can be fun. Helps you make friends. So a lot of good things about exercise, all right? There's an activity posted along with this story in Seesaw where you can use some text examples to answer our focus question. Practice reading this text throughout the week, and we'll do a recorded reading on Friday. All right, thanks for listening.